Hi guys, welcome to Thai Show. Oh, there is a trolley. Oh, it's an accident. Okay, the tractor is broken. What to do? There is a big work for this tractor. Hey, here is a Jersey cow. Waiting for what? Hey, it's a mini tractor. Okay, it's just like a tractor. It has trolley. Okay. Now the Jersey cow on this truck. Hey, very nice. It's going. Hey, it's going. Hey, the tires are stuck. Okay. Oh, very nice moving. Oh. Oh. So, the tractor is getting repaired. The mechanic is coming. Okay. Hey, he's fitting the wheels to the tractor. Okay. Very nice. It's easy fitting. Okay. Very nice. Very nice. Okay. Oh. Oh. Okay. The work is finished. Okay. It's moving. Very nice moving. It's very good condition. Tractor. Okay. Now the trolley is coming to attach the tractor. Okay. Very nice. Very nice. Now what to do? Hey, what is going on? Hey, the Jersey cow shifted to mini tractor. Okay. Now the tractor is going to transport Jersey cow. Oh, very nice. It's very difficult journey. Okay. It's very nice. The Jersey cow is there. Okay. Oh, the wheels are very nice. Okay. It's nice moving. Please subscribe and bell all. Okay. Thank you.